This is the BK Mueller 888-564 new style stem assembly for the BK Mueller models with that red handle. Now we'll go ahead and get it out of the packaging here. And a couple things to notice about this stem is down here on this end it'll have the two metal washers. You've got one here underneath that rubber kind of gasket, and then one right there above it, and then that gasket sits right there in between them. And then coming down to this end, you've got the three threads, and then that comes up to that rubber assembly, or that rubber washer or O-ring. Then you got that brass screw. And we can go ahead and get a couple measurements of the complete stem. So starting with a total length, we'll measure from the head of that screw to the end of that stem there. So with a total length, measures right at about 15.5 inches. And then we can also just get a measurement of this piece. So we'll measure from where it's soldered on there to that head of the screw. If I can hold on to the ruler. Alrighty. So that top piece there is going to measure right at about 7/8, or an inch and 7/8, so just shy of 2 inches. And then we can also get an outer diameter and height of that rubber gasket down at the bottom of the stem as well. So outer diameter, going to measure right about 3/4 of an inch. And then that height or thickness, it's going to measure right at about 1/4 of an inch. And yeah, once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-564 new style stem assembly.